Hello everyone! In this tutorial we will cover the basic features and functions of Microsoft Teams. To get started with Microsoft Teams, you will first need to download and install the application or start the app in your internet browser. You can find the link in my description. Once you have signed in with your Microsoft account or your organization's credentials, you can download the desktop application in the lower left corner if you want to. Now let's take a tour of the Microsoft Teams interface. As you can see, there are 5 main areas: chat, calls, calendar, Teams, and files. Each section serves a unique purpose, and we are going to explore them in detail. If you miss any of these main sections, you can click the 3 dots and add the app. Chat is where you can have private or group conversations. To start a chat, click the Chat tab and create a new chat. Add 1 or more people to the chat. Then you can send messages, use emojis and GIFs, add attachments, and more. The Teams section also has chat, but with a few more features. Most companies use channels for their departments and projects. Some channels can be public, to be seen by everyone in the company, but the most common use is private channels. Chat and Teams are a great way to stay connected with your team. Teams is great for meeting and calls. You can schedule a meeting from the Calendar tab. Here, you can join with an ID if you have only received an ID and passcode. Or you can start a new meeting directly. During meetings, you can share your screen, record the session, use chat, and more. You can use calls to call users directly without creating a meeting. Files gives you access to your OneDrive, Teams, or SharePoint data. We have covered the basic features and functions you need to know to get started with Microsoft Teams. As you continue to explore the platform, you will discover even more advanced features and resources to improve your collaboration. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye.